The new smartphone can be considered the OnePlus flagship for the year, where the OnePlus 7 was launched alongside positioned as more affordable version when compared to the OnePlus 7 Pro. The OnePlus 7 Pro pricing in India starts from 48,999 for the 6GB variant and the 128GB storage, whereas the top-end variant costs around 58,000 INR. The almond color will go on sale for the first time in June. It will be made available one day earlier for the Amazon Prime customers, that is on sale on May 16th. The OnePlus 7 Pro bears a triple rear camera setup consisting of 48MP Sony IMX586 sensor as its primary. The secondary camera features a 16MP sensor with f2.4 aperture and ultra-wide angle lens with a 117-degree field of view. Finally, the 8MP camera rounds off the triple rear camera setup with a telephoto lens capable of 3x optical zoom and an f2.4 aperture. Now coming into the specification, the OnePlus 7 Pro runs OxygenOS based on Android 9.0 Pie, bringing new features like native screen recording and Zen Mode. As we mentioned above in the first, the company OnePlus 7 Pro features a Quad HD Plus resolution display. The phone will get 2 years of software updates and 3 years of security updates. The 6.67-inch Fluid AMOLED display has an aspect ratio of 19.5:9. Display is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and the company claims it as it received A+ rating from the DisplayMate. The smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 SoC coupled with the Adreno 640 GPU and up to 12GB of RAM, which makes a great deal for gaming.